Hello friends, welcome to our channel. So friends, today in this video we are seeing the latest bedroom wardrobe design ideas for 2024. So friends, the beauty of your entire house depends a lot of your home decor. Lots of people think about the decor only has with furniture and nothing else. And your home decor involves almost everything that contributes to the aesthetic of your house is one way or another way. So, everything that makes your house appear more visual appealing and attractive, and can put in your home decor category that includes your furniture, curtains, wall hangings, and wardrobes, to many few elements. If you are specially talking about bedroom wardrobes, have a big role to play adding aesthetic beauty. If we specially talk about today's is bedroom wardrobes, and bedroom wardrobes have big role to play adding aesthetic beauty to your house. In addition, they have to functional purpose to serve all well to provide more space for storing your clothes and bed sheets and other items. And organize in manner. And what's more, wardrobes can be modified according to your taste and exciting home decor. You can go for simple and elegant add a touch of your extra vintage. Of course, these combinations are one or two color combinations for your bedrooms. Your wardrobe designs has lots of to with location, design, and vary to across the length and breadth of the country. Just as one idea for your home jars, it would not have to wise compared wardrobes that are installed in two completely different types of houses. One of the most important factors that decide wardrobe design is the size and layout of the room. This will determine how big the wardrobe and can be where you will place it. It will also decide the whatever the room can have to walk or nice stand-alone wardrobe with hing or sliding shutters. You should also have basic idea of the materials used in the bedrooms or finishes and available in the market. For efficient bedroom designs, take stock of what kind of storage is required, and this will help to choose the best and modern wardrobes for your house. You might need to be more hanging space for suit and coats. In some cases, shelves and drawers might be better or suited your needs. And take stock of what will you better and storing options for your clothes and necessary items. Determine whatever you need to more hanging space or more stacking space. Also keep in the mind the height of the clothes that need to be hung. Some people prefer to shelves over the drawers and bigger. Keep in the mind that for items like undergarments, socks, belts, watches, and jewelry, and all these are drawers, it's easier to use. Kids usually do not require too much hanging space, and these sections should be placed near to lower half so that they can be reached the rod. On the other hand, drawers on the lower shelf might be better idea for elder peoples so that they don't have to blend and reach items. For kids, you might also need external drawers for storing like toys, games, and school materials and books so that wardrobe does not have to be opened each time. And build wardrobes that customized to fit your requirements. And hing doors wardrobes are classic style where both doors are fixed on the hinges at the sides and swing open outwards. The biggest advantages here that you have access and visibility to entire wardrobe. Another advantages is that you can fix accessories like belt racks on the inside of the doors, which is possible to sliding shutters and hing doors are also better suited for L-shape or corner wardrobes. And finally walk into the wardrobes. That most luxurious design are those where can go into the wardrobe. They are usually placed between the bedroom, bathroom, or maximum convenience. A walk-in can have closed and open storage as well combination of both. And ready-made wardrobes are usually have depth of 200 to 300 mm. Slick wardrobes, however, are designed to keeping in the mind items, like suits which are required to more space. They suggest a depth of 560 mm with sliding doors, and the factors is minimum 50 mm 2 inches. For hing doors, I look maximize by depth of 600 mm for each door so that there is no traces of load of the hinges. The minimum width of the each sliding door should be 3 feet otherwise. And there are two key factors to keep in the mind while choosing materials. The shutter panels are much longer than those of the kitchen cabinets, so wrapping and bending is very real possibilities. Second one is the wardrobes are not usually located in wet areas like kitchens and bathrooms. So you don't have to worry too much about water resistance. Having said that, high levels of humidity and using the reflective finish or mirrors on the shutter will give you impression of bigger space. Lighter colors and finishes for the exterior work to better in smaller bedroom designs. Added functionality to your wardrobe. You can add it ironing board or folds away to create small niche with mirrors and drawers that can be used for dressing table. You can also tuck and compact workstations within the niches in the wardrobe. Added pull out of the table system for extra workspace. And consider using the entire height of the wall for extra storage. Use any aqua niches in the room layout of your advantages. And possible to consider wrapping the built wardrobes around the bedroom or bathroom doors instead of closing off another wall. You could also design the wardrobes as extension of hardboard using the wall space about around the bed. These design ideas work better the kids' bedroom or guest bedroom. Sliding wardrobe doors are not require extra clearance like hing doors, making them better option for smaller rooms. With some clear and clever painting, a wardrobe can also be used as partition wall, which work best for small and open plan to spaces like studio apartments. Some brands do not manufacture wood is so company warranty and offer to only covers items like hardware and fine print carefully. Sleek warranties cover to everything the wardrobe from wood to hardware to accessories and 4 years warranty and some